Thank you very much for joining us this afternoon. We're going to present Invst. Invst is a new platform for retail investors, which is quite revolutionary, and we're very grateful for the opportunity to present in front of you. So we want to start by saying that it's effectively not the same city. And what do we mean by that is that the city has changed tremendously over the last couple of years. And following the 1986 Big Bang, what happened was that the city itself, which was a closed shop until then, became a bit more open. Retail investors started to participate in investment opportunities, which followed through all the way to 2001. In 2001, following the dot-com bubble burst, there was effectively a breakdown of the trust in the public market by the public, and an increase in regulation and protectionism. We are now in what we call the age of the unicorn. The age of the unicorn is effectively a period of time where we believe retail investors are looking for the next success story. And effectively what we're seeing is an increase in crowdfunding platform and retails going into crowdfunding platforms, and a decrease in the participation in the stock market. So we felt that we as companies that are participating in the public market are running out of time. And these kind of values that were associated with the city, we wanted to change that. So we want to say to you, the private investor, the retail investor, that you're not alone. We are here to help you. And that's why we're introducing Invst. So we teamed up with two companies, First Equity, which are a private client broker, and with Peterhouse Corporate Finance, to introduce Invst to you. Invst is a platform for retail investors which will allow them to participate in secondary offerings and IPOs, which were so far close to the general public and were available for institutional investors. We will introduce that platform, we introduce those opportunities on the same playing field as other institutional investors. So if you want to participate, you can participate, and you will participate on the same terms as institutional investors. That means that you'll get the discount, you get the warrants, you get the options, you get everything that a large institution will get. Our 5 values are very simple. We want to be independent, we want to be neutral, we want to be very visible, straightforward, and transparent. And the idea is to demystify this whole concept of investment and make it accessible for retail investors and to the public in general. So we want to open up a world of opportunities to you, and we're going to do it in a very, very simple and easy way. So you would go onto the platform itself and you will sign up. You will need to obviously verify your details, and if there are any KYC checks, which are standard today, you need to go through them. You will then deposit some funds into your account, and that's it. You are effectively ready to invest. The moment an Invst broker undertakes a fundraise, then on the closing of that fundraise, the Invst broker will draw down on the pool based on our investment rules, which I'll get to in a second. The new shares that you will receive will then be allocated immediately to your account with your selected broker. And from that point onward, you can buy and sell the shares as you see fit. So what are the rules of investment? We are going to offer retail investors all the opportunities available by the Invst broker. And we're going to follow a simple rule of the lowest of 10% of the fund raised by the investment opportunity, or 10% of the funds currently in the pool. The simple rule is there to effectively allow you to participate in as many investment opportunities as possible. We want you to have a diversified portfolio so you can spread your risk. And the portfolio approach is there to effectively say, we're not here to advise you. We don't know which one are the really, really successful companies that are going to make you loads of money, and which ones are the ones that you're going to lose money on. You cannot back the market. And therefore, you should adopt a portfolio approach where you are effectively open up to all the investment opportunities. So who are the partners in this venture? Well, obviously you are in the driving seat. You are the one that selects which broker to follow and which one to not to follow, how much money to invest. Also, obviously, First Equity, which are here to provide the engine or the regulatory framework and back office support. And finally, we have the Invst broker, which is, in this case, the first adopter of that platform has been Peterhouse Corporate Finance. They're going to offer all the investment opportunities on all the placings to the platform itself. That's it. Thank you very much. We're at stand 36 if you want to come and visit us. Thank you.